Hey guys, so question is, how do you hold the best open houses during the wintertime? And I'm gonna give you the answer to that right now. So marketing material, I keep the same stuff I would do during the summertime. I got the public MLS, I got some mortgage info and stats, I got some home buying basics, and I got my buyer's books. Now I might do a video on these later on, all what they entail and how great they work. So you want your marketing material out, you wanna advertise how you normally would on MLS or through wherever else you do that from. Because it's gonna be the same thing, nothing's changed, the world's still going, the world's still turning, okay? So you wanna do that. The signs, I would normally do 30 signs during the summertime. Wintertime, I've cut it down to about 10 signs. And keep in mind, this is for houses about 3 turns to get into. I cut it down a little bit, and that's because people have that mentality that they wanna wait till the summertime to buy or sell. So the inventory is a little bit lower, the traction is a lot lower. So one thing to keep in mind though is that's good, because someone that does come into your open house, you know they're serious. So it's gonna be that quality over quantity type deal right now. So if you work it, it'll work for you. So anyone that comes through that door, you're gonna know, great, they're serious, they went out of their way, they're out driving through the snow right now to come see this house. So you wanna make sure you do your best with them and really show them everything you have to offer, and always give more value than you expect in return. Always give as much value as you can. But that's about it. If you're doing an open house during the wintertime, great hustle, keep it up, and then just get ready for the summertime, because what you're doing right now is gonna pay off 90 days from now. So it'll be beginning in the springtime. So if you want your springtime to be good, hustle now. So good luck, guys. Hope you do good.